Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Sarala, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. So today we are going to discuss about causes and the risk factors for bulky uterus. You have to understand bulky uterus primarily develops in people with bad lifestyle or develops in people with bad thinking patterns, people who are anxious, people who overthink, people who are having a lifestyle where the sleep cycle is not good, they're doing a lot of desk job or they're not moving throughout the day, they have no workout, they have no proper food, all that they are eating is junk or fat food, and they're thinking too much. Sometimes the walk-in patients especially, they just say like, ma'am, I do a lot of household work, I do consume fiber, I do consume food properly, I do consume protein properly, and there is no history, that is the hereditary history is also not there, why did I get it? Especially these kind of people, they have the problem with the emotional sphere, that is they have an overthinking problem, or they have a problem in the family and they do not want to express it to anyone. So if they're keeping all the things inside of them, body will start to experience symptoms, because emotional pain is equal to physical pain. Body will perceive both of them as pain. It does not know the difference between emotional pain and physical pain, right? So if there is anything which is emotionally draining you also can result in hormonal disturbance, can result in bulky uterus formation, right? So hormonal imbalance is the main thing. If you are someone who has improper lifestyle, improper sleeping pattern, improper food pattern, no workout, too much of thinking and all of this stuff, you might experience hormonal imbalance, which can lead into uterine fibroids, which can lead into bulky uterus, which can lead into PCOS. And then PCOS, fibroids, both of them have estrogen abundance. Estrogen abundance as such can again create bulky uterus. So it can directly create bulky uterus or it can indirectly create bulky uterus. That is the problem, right? And then a hormonal imbalance can also cause adenomyosis. What is adenomyosis? There is an inner layer in the uterus which is called as the endometrial layer. Whenever the endometrial layer is going inside the uterus, they will experience severe dysmenorrhea or severe pain. The pain scale is so high in people who are experiencing adenomyosis, especially during period pain. The period pain is too high, and then this condition, if not attended properly, can lead into bulky uterus, because adenomyosis, there is the endometrium is going inside of the muscular layer, which will give rise to a bulky uterus symptom. And then we have endometrial hyperplasia. What is endometrial hyperplasia? Whenever we experience a lot of estrogen inside the body, or E1 or E2, what happens is that usually endometrium grows because of estrogen and progesterone. Progesterone maintains the growth. That means like it puts a check sometimes. Okay. So what happens is, if there is decrease in the progesterone level and if there is increase in the estrogen level, what will happen is that endometrium will grow unaltered or undisturbed. This can lead into endometrial hyperplasia and this can lead into bulky uterus, right? And in pregnancy you will be experiencing bulky uterus, because uterus will obviously become larger, which is a common thing or a physiological thing. But if pregnancy is complicated with PCOS, if pregnancy is complicated with fibroids, if pregnancy is complicated with hyperprolactinemia and high estrogen, that can lead into bulky uterus also. Coming to the consultation options, we have discussed how homeopathy is the best form of medication for lifestyle disorders. Here we are discussing how Fidicus Homeopathy is much better. At Fidicus Homeopathy, we have two kinds of consultation options. The one is the online consultation. The second one is the offline or in-person consultation. If you are staying nearby the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can come and contact us in person. But if you are someone who is staying far away from us, you can contact us online through audio consultation option or through the video consultation option. Once the consultation has taken place, the investigations are verified and the medicines need to be given, especially to the online clients. Medicines will be door delivered to you. If you're staying in India, 3 to 4 business days, USA 3 to 5 business days, across the globe anywhere, 4 to 8 business days, our medicines will be taking to be delivered to your doorstep. If you would like to contact us, you can contact us on this number. You can call us, WhatsApp us or message us on this number. And if you'd like to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. Here we have seen how homeopathy works best for lifestyle disorders, right? Here we are discussing why Fidicus Homeopathy is the best option in all homeopathic hospitals. Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we are following three major principles. One being, we are experiencing high success rates in adenomyosis, endometriosis, bulky uterus, fibroids, PCOS, PCOD, dysmenorrhea, cervical erosion, and even PIDs, right? So the success rate is really high. And second is the transparent treatment. There is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. The prognosis will be clearly explained to you. And the third thing is the personal care here at Fidicus Homeopathy is top notch. Any sort of queries, myths or questions that you pose us, we will be answering it to you. So if you want to choose cure, if you want to choose health, choose Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.